now let's understand what it is and when it came. As explained, it came in 20th century, right? And movement emphasized empirical verification and rejected metaphysics as meaningless. They rejected metaphysics because it could not be, proven. It is not based off logical, not based on reasoning, not based on science, right? So when we talk about metaphysics, it's asked the questions about, which goes beyond observation, right? So if something is going beyond observation, right, it cannot be verified. We cannot see it, we cannot prove it with logic and science. This is why they criticize it, because they wanted to make a language so precise, so clear, so vivid कि उसको देखते ही समझ में आए, उसको जानते ही बोलते ही समझ में आए that this is correct and this is incorrect, right? This is how preciseful they wanted to make. And there are philosophers who compared language with mathematics. They compared it with mathematics because, like, we know that 2 plus 2 is 4. Now no one can question it, right? This is like proven itself. For example, taking another example, like a triangle has 3 sides, right? So we don't need to prove this. Another example, like unmarried men are called bachelors, right? So these are the things which, like, doesn't need any verification, right? Doesn't need any explanation. They are true by themselves, right? So in the same way, these philosophers, they used to meet together, they used to have discussion, and with that they wanted to, like, prove that these are the kinds of language that we should have, right?